Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. This is my first video, so I'm just unboxing a product which I bought from Purple. So here's the product. This is VEGA. VEGA is 3-in-1 hair solution. That means that is a hair straightener and a crimp one, and you can also curl your hair. So I'm just unboxing it. मैंने first time कोई चीज़ online electrical कोई चीज़ मंगाई है, क्योंकि इसके पहले मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं मंगाया था electrical, तो मुझे भरोसा नहीं है, but I thought I should give it a try. तो here it is. It is nice actually. Look. इसमें on and off का button है. We don't have a button to just increase or decrease the temperature, means that heat. और इसको आप ऐसे करके switch कर सकते हो, like एक button है इधर, look यहाँ, when you press it like this and this, तो ये वाला portion एक साथ हो जाता है और ये वाला अलग हो जाता है, and when you do it this way, the crimp one comes out, okay? तो ये product है and I really liked it. देखने से of course जब मैं try करूँगी तो I'll give the review too. But this is it for this video and I hope you liked it. So look, the wire, I think the wire is